Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition Music Theory. Are you ready to learn what intervals are? Great, let's go. Okay, so the term interval means the distance between two notes. All right, so let's look a little further into this. Okay, so unison is the same note. Unison is also known as the prime, so they're exactly the same, there's no form of movement. Now, the second interval is the second note away from our original one. It's just one note above. And then the third interval is the third note away from the original note. Starting to catch the pattern? So the third interval sounds like this. Great. Then the fourth interval is the fourth note away from the original. And then the fifth. And then the sixth. And then the seventh. And then we have the octave, the perfect eighth. All right, so that is just the simple explanation on what intervals are. They do get a little bit more complicated once we start looking into minor and major intervals, but this at least gets you started on knowing what they are. All right, if you have any questions about the intervals, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for joining, and until next time.